Good morning to everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I try to photograph the garden birds around my garden here. Basically there are several birds around here, mainly will be like Eurasian blackbird, and sometimes it will be blue teeth and gray teeth around. And yesterday somehow the song thrush, which never shown up here, suddenly shown up yesterday. And also like wood pigeons around. So yeah, let's see that maybe I can photograph them some, maybe not. So basically I set up the height in my pavilion, what do you call it, terrace, whatever. Here's the camera, and then it's pointed out to my what do you call it, fountain, waterfall. I think it's fountain, but it's more like a waterfall, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, I just wait for the birds there. They usually come there and drink there. So yeah, we'll see how the result will be, and then see you in a few seconds. So far still nobody shown up. It's just like one wood pigeon perching on the roof, but then it walk away, like slowly walk away. So basically it doesn't want to drink yet. So just now there was two wood pigeon just like right here next to me, and then it flew on the fountain, but I didn't get any shot because they were really close and I have to be freeze for like half a minute. But now they flew off, so hopefully they will fly back and some other birds will come. Alright everyone, so there's nothing show up. like really nothing showing up. So probably I'm just gonna finish for now for today, and then maybe later or another days I will try again. I think because today is a bit colder than usually also, so they don't really want to take a bath. And yep, probably see you later. After the first day of unsuccessful in photographing and filming the garden birds, however, I knew that there must be something in my garden. So on the next day, I just walk around my garden and I just observe them from the dining room windows. So here is the results. So this made me realize that sometimes if something is not going in the direction that we need, we should try different things or methods instead of just redoing the same things. So for example, the birds will never appear if I just sit and wait outside, because however, they are still wild birds and still aware of humans. So I have to say that I almost gave up doing this video, but then the next morning I had my coffee in the dining room, and then suddenly so many birds showed up on the fountain. And the other thing is, knowing their behavior is essential. As I mentioned before, I knew that my garden must have something. So after observe them and study them a bit, and then of course I learned that birds only come to the fountain when it's super early at dawn or in a super early morning, and they will come back again only after the hot day in the evening. So in that late morning, I just walk around in my garden instead of just sitting and waiting for the birds to show up.